Hey guys, check out this new 18 gauge brad nailer that it's got. It's cordless. It takes Dewalt batteries, and either 20 volt max batteries will work. This particular one, it is a DCB 203. Any of the max batteries for Dewalt will work with it. It's actually pretty heavy duty. It's got a the instruction manual that comes with it. The nail gun itself, it's very heavy. It's got a lot of weight to it. It also has tools for you need to change out the different components if you have to. And it also comes with staples and the brad nails itself. This will shoot both. So let's check this thing out. I got a little simulation here that I'm going to run for you about how it works, and check this out. Okay. Pretty easy and simple to load. Pull this thing back, take that like that. Your brad nails will go into it, just like this. Close it up, and it latches. Battery goes right into there, and that's that. Keep your finger off the trigger. There's actually an on-off switch located right here. Right now I have it shut off. And like I said, this is a piece of molding. And then I just have a 4x4 here just so that I can nail into it. So we'll attach the molding to it. Turn the switch on. Switch is now on. Line this up. Take this to here. And see what we do. Shut it back off again. Set this over here. And this really drove those in there really good. I mean, it's on there. I only put two nails in there, and it does pretty well. And like I said, it's got a lot of power behind it. I was impressed. I'm kind of impressed with how that thing worked. Anyways, check this thing out. It's a 20 volt lithium ion brad nailing gun. Takes Dewalt batteries. Any of the 20 volt max batteries will work. Like I said, this is a DCB 203. This goes with my cordless drills and stuff. But it's a great little product. I definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you.